Hello, boys and girls. Today we will read a lovely poem called My Family. Get ready to clap to the rhythm. My family is big and bright. They hold me close every night. My daddy works hard all day long. He comes home singing a song. My mummy cooks our evening meal. She makes us laugh and helps us heal. She hugs me tight and wipes my tears. She chases away all my fears. My big brother is noisy and loud. He runs around feeling so proud. He plays with me. He is my friend. Our fun together will never end. My little sister sleeps and smiles. She makes our home worth every mile. So soft, so small, so sweet, so dear. I'm glad my family is right here. We love each other every day. That's what family means, I say. Great job, everyone. Now clap and say, I love my family.